everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Renu. In today's video, we are going to learn how to control an LED with a photoresistor using an Arduino. This is a great project for the beginners to understanding how light sensor work. So let's get started with introduction. In this video, we will connect photoresistor with Arduino to control an LED. But wait, maybe you all have a question. How does it work? So here we use photoresistor. It is also called light dependent resistor. This is a type of resistor which changes its resistance based on the amount of light it receives. In bright light, its resistance is high, and in darkness, its resistance is low. So we will use this property to control an LED. Now we go over the components we needed for this project. First, we need a breadboard for a temporary circuit building. Then we use Arduino Uno that control our circuit. And USB cable that connect Arduino Uno with PC. Some jumper wires to connect the circuit. And photoresistor. One LED. And 220 ohm resistor for LED. And 10 k ohm resistor. So let's start the project. First we place the LED into the breadboard, but remember the legs of LED. Then we insert 220 ohm resistor in a same row where the short leg of LED insert. Now we connect the free end of resistor with the ground using a green jumper wire. Then we connect the long leg of LED with the pin number 9 by using red jumper wire. Then we insert photoresistor. Now we connect the one leg of resistor with the 5-volt pin in Arduino Uno by using yellow jumper wire. Now we connect another leg with A0 by using blue jumper wire. Then we insert the 10 k ohm resistor in a same leg. Now we connect the free end of resistor with the ground by using black jumper wire. Now we connect the circuit with PC by using USB cable. Now open Arduino IDE and start writing the code. First we define analog pin A0 or A0 for the photoresistor. Then we define digital pin 9 for LED. Then we create a setup function. This function runs once when the Arduino is powered or reset. It is used to initialize setting. Then pin mode LED output. This set the pin connected to LED as an output so that it can turn on the or off the LED. Then serial begin 9600. This initializes the serial monitor for communication at a baud rate of 9600. It allows you to send data to your computer for debugging. Now we create a loop function in which we read the analog value from the photoresistor which vary with the light intensity and store it in the variable light value. Then we serial print ln light value. This print the current value of the light value to the serial monitor, allowing you to the sensor reading in a real time. If light value is less than 500, then LEDs turn on, otherwise LEDs turn off. In last we had delay. This introduces a 100 millisecond delay before the loop restart, which helped to stabilize the reading and reduce the frequency of update to the serial monitor. After completing this code, we upload the code. And there you have it. You have successfully controlled an LED with a photoregister using an Arduino. So if you found this tutorial helpful, so give it thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.